us into the field. And the more we got into the field, the more we loved it. We developed a passion for it. The more time we spent, look at the fresh air that you're getting. Isn't it beautiful? Mother Earth, our mother. Yeah? So that is how we got into mechanized cultivation, and we found that many people, many fields were being fallowed. This is one example. So we have with us today Mr. Oladio. Mr. Oladio is senior manager of China. The 6 shooters, you see the paddy standing up. How many seeds or how many grains do you think one seed of paddy will give? Anyone? From one seed.
Hello, I'm Savida from the Rosary High School, Kujira, and we are from the Scouts and Guides unit. We brought a few of the 8th standard Scouts and Guides to witness mechanized paddy cultivation so that they develop a great interest in farming as well as get a hands-on experience of being in the field with the farmers. And we are very thankful to Goinso Shetkar and team for allowing us to have this beautiful experience today. Thank you.
You all enjoyed?
Yes.
Say something.
Yes. So what you have seen today? Yeah, just tell. What you have seen?
We have seen the planting, how it is planted by the machine, and like it is like nicely planted uniformly. It is not just planted because they have to plant it. It is nicely planted by the machine. They've even taken us to see like how it is planted and all. Thank you.
Before you have seen
Yes.
people planting with hands.
I've seen them planting by hands, but they all like they're bending down, planting it, and it takes a lot of time for them to just like bend, plant it, and all. And this is like a much easier way with a machine to plant it. Like to plant it with a machine is much better than to like hunching back down, planting it by hands. Yes.
So you liked it?
Yeah, I like the experience. It was really fun experience for us.
So what do you want to say? What do you want to say? What you have seen here? Just
It is nice and it is uniformly done.
you have seen before
No,
the
it's
farmers
first
doing the paddy fields?
No.
You have not seen. So it's the first time like this.
Yes.
So you like now, you got an interest.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thank you.
6, good. 8, very good. This side, boys. 10, very good. Oh, you got to go higher. Come on, higher, higher. we're getting the next batch of 8. Are you all ready? Next 8.
Hi, my name is Shubh Mudras. I'm from Rosary High School and we are here came for learning some mechanized farming techniques. And here we have seen a lot of machineries which plants, and we have took a ride on the transplanter here. They have planted over there some paddy, and it's a good experience.
You like the idea of
Yes.
the initiative taken by the Goenka Sarkar?
Yeah.
You have seen before how they were planting farmers?
Planting, no actually,
Hands and all. You have seen
with hands only on TVs and all.
Yeah. So today you have seen live.
Yes.
So you like the idea?
Yeah.
My name is Rajveer Naik. I am from 8th Rosary High School. So it was a nice experience that they told us how to plant, and they also teach us that it's so necessary, and they told us how many facts about the plant in farming. So the on machine which we were sitting, that were plant transplant. So
You liked it?
yeah, I loved it literally. And there was a tractor also which was the tilling the soil and making it stick. So I liked it.
You'll be interested in doing farming?
Yeah, I would have loved it for doing so. I'll also at home we have to plant our plants like so.
Yes. Get a bit muddy.
Now there is proper sunlight.
Hello, my name is Kenneth. I'm from Goenka Sarkar, and once again we are in fields in Santa Cruz. These are paddy fields, and we have students from Rosary High School, Kujira, 8th standard students here with us to observe mechanized paddy cultivation. Now, in the first place, I need to thank the media also for coverage. That is very important. Information needs to go out. People need to know about it. So, पहिले स्वातेर media देव बरे करो. आणि स्कूलाची मॅनेजमेंटाकूय देव बरें करूं that they have taken the initiative to send these children out over here. They've come with great enthusiasm and they've had wonderful questions. And I think a question which I had last interaction when we were in Mercury was this girl who asked me, what is the purpose of getting into mechanized cultivation or into agriculture? And the answer to that is simple yet complicated. It is simple because we are looking at a global food shortage. It is simple because all that you need to do is produce more food. Yet, at the same time that's easier done, because a lot of youngsters do not want to get into the fields. These children over here themselves gave some excellent answers, saying that it is difficult work, it is time consuming. We all know the problems. But very interestingly, in a survey which was done in Norway, it said that most children or youth would be interested in farming if science and technology, that's what you're looking at behind, gives them an easier way, a more efficient way of getting into agriculture. So we've all heard about no farmers, no food. Today, to overcome that, give the farmer the right machinery, and then we can all produce more food together. Thank you very much.
Now there is proper sunlight.
Yes. Get a bit muddy. 6, good. 8, very good. 10, very good. Oh, you got to go higher. Come on, higher, higher. 20, higher. Higher. Higher, you got to go. Alright, we're getting the next batch of 8. Are you all ready? Next 8. That is what got us into the field. And the more we got into the field, the more we loved it. We developed a passion for it. The more time we spent, look at the fresh air that you're getting. Isn't it beautiful? Mother Earth, our mother. Yeah? That is how we got into mechanized cultivation, and we found that many people, many fields were being fallowed. This is one example. So we have with us today Mr. Olavio. Mr. Olavio is
Yeah, I'm Olavio Fernandez. I'm a villager from Santa Cruz, and we have started this community farming. Before, I was Deputy Director in Directorate of Agriculture. I retired some 8 years back. Now, what we are at present, we have brought some. We are trying to encourage people to grow their paddy fields. You see, all this area was left, without planting. Today, we are planting about 46 to 47,000 square meters of. We are going to plant this time, and all mechanical. And we are doing it mostly organic. We only use some If the weeds are too much, then we will use a weedicide. But otherwise, we don't use any weedicides, we don't use any pesticide, and we don't use any fertilizer. We use manures and we use potash. Today we have brought all children just to show them how it is like, what is how agriculture, mechanized agriculture is done, how they also enjoying it. They have seen how the transplanting is being done today. Most of them are very young, so at this young age, if we can tell them that agriculture is something which they will enjoy, we hope that in future they will grow our fields. And once the fields are being grown, then the builders will not have any options to come and tell the people stop growing. This is builders are coming into this into the fields because we are not planting. Remember that we need to plant our fields. This is my only advice, or what this is what I think. Unless we plant our fields, the builders are not going to leave this place. Thank you.